Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. And if you're new, welcome. I'm MissCheriess. As you can see in my face right now, I am not wearing any foundation, concealer right now, well, except for my brows. I'm wearing false lashes and clear gloss from Glossy, because in today's video I'll be doing my review of the skincare brand called Good Molecules. It is owned by Beautylicious. You could buy their products online, I think on their website only. Yeah, I forgot to put out a disclaimer on my intro, so I got the products for free, but all opinions are mine. If I like the products, I'm gonna tell you guys. If I don't, I don't. I'm not getting money or anything. All opinions are mine. Now let's go ahead with my intro. I have been using the products for 2 months. They sent me their products, I think last year, I think like November of last year. So now guys, before I'm going to tell you guys my thoughts about their products, first things first, make sure that you are subscribed to my channel. Click the bell to be notified every time I upload my videos. Now let's go get started. Alright, so the first product I'm going to show you is their niacinamide brightening toner. I just checked out their website. I think they only have 8 products total. I mean, they don't have that much because they haven't been around that long. They have been around for a while, I think for a very long time. I don't know how long, but they have more products than the Good Molecules, but prices very similar. Okay, so this is the niacinamide brightening toner. This, it says in here, formulated with niacinamide, vitamin C, arbutin, and licorice root extract to brighten and improve the appearance of enlarged pores. So this one retails for $14. It has 120 ml or 4 fluid ounces. I'm going to read the description. Promote bright, even skin and less visible pores with this brightening toner that's gently enough for daily use. So this one's alcohol free, guys, if you're worried about using alcohol. Naturally derived arbutin improves the look of hyperpigmentation, with licorice root extract soothes inflammation and inhibits excess melanin production. A stable form of vitamin C boosts skin's ability to defend itself against free radical damage and promotes collagen production. So licorice extract also helps with your dark circles, age spots, hyperpigmentation. Basically, it's an antioxidant ingredient. You can find licorice from some type of tree, I think, or fruit, but I'm going to write down the information somewhere here on the screen, guys. So also this one helps balance oil. If you have oily skin, it does help with balancing your oil production. I have really dry skin, but still very hydrating, guys. It's very hydrating. I usually use my finger to apply this one. I break out usually on my forehead. I get like whiteheads in here. It does help with my acne, whiteheads, and this is really hydrating. I don't need a lot with this because it's very potent. I like to use my finger because when I use a pad, it just soaked up most of the product, so that's why I like to use my finger with this one. I usually apply it on my forehead because this is where like my sensitive area right here. So this one's really good, guys, and even if you have dry skin, it does help hydrates the skin. So I'm really happy with this, and it's only $14. I still have a lot. I don't know if you could see that because it's made of amber bottle. It's very sensitive to the light, so that's why it's made of the dark bottle or amber bottle. So this one's really nice. You could use your pad or a cotton pad if you don't want to use your fingers, but overall it's an amazing product. Then next product I'm going to show you, or I'm going to talk about, is their hyaluronic acid. This one is $6. Retails for $6. 30 ml, same amount as the ordinary. Ingredients wise, I'm not sure if they have the same ingredients, but I'm going to link everything down, guys, if you're curious about ingredients, or I'm going to link down their websites on my description box below. So this one is a lightweight hyaluronic acid that draws moisture into the skin for deep hydration. Hyaluronic acid binds to moisture and draws into the skin to maintain a healthy moisture balance and protect from dehydration, lightweight, that is true. Water-based formula, water-based products are really good if you have really sensitive skin or if you have acne prone skin. Seamlessly under skincare because they absorb easily. Sorry, keep on cutting myself. Okay, under skincare and makeup, making it ideal for daily use. Apply a few drops. I usually use 3 drops. I use this one before my oil, for my cream, before my moisturizer. It says in here, for best results, apply to damp skin. Let us serve for 30 seconds before continuing with your more routine. That's because hyaluronic acid attracts water, and human bodies are made of water. So that's why it's really good to apply this one when you're damp, when you have damp face. Sorry. So this one has a pH of 5.59 if you're worried about pH levels. Vegan, fragrance free, never tested on animals. I think their products are made in Korea, and this one's $6 and it's really nice. I have to say this one is a little bit more hydrating than the ordinary hyaluronic acid, and it's a little bit more thicker. So with this one I don't have to use a lot. With the ordinary I usually use like 3 or 4 drops. With this one it's like 3 drops. I mean, most of the time 3 drops. And like I mentioned a few minutes ago, it's very hydrating, a little bit more hydrating than the ordinary. And definitely I'm going to purchase this one, guys, because a little bit more hydrating, and I really like that's a little thicker, and I mean, same price, $6, you know. The next product is their niacinamide serum. So this one's also $6, and this one has 30 ml, same amount as the ordinary. So this one minimizes the appearance of pores and even tone and texture with this 10% niacinamide serum. So this one also promotes smooth, even skin and minimize the appearance of pores, of course. Helps to refine skin tone and texture for a brighter, healthier looking complexion. And it also is clinically proven to improve the look of enlarged pores. I personally haven't seen like anything change, anything at all about my pores, because I don't have large pores, guys, so I cannot really say anything about that area. But it's very hydrating. I have really dry skin, but even if you have oily skin, I think you could use this one, guys, because it's not greasy at all. It absorbs to the skin, and it doesn't, I hate the feeling of like product like sitting on my face. This one, it does absorb to the skin, and it's very hydrating. And I have to say, this one's way more hydrating than the ordinary product or their buffet. Even their niacinamide, they also have niacinamide. I used that one before. It was actually really good, but this one way better, guys. More hydrating. A little bit more hydrating. It's very thick though. It's very thick, so it's hard to get the product out. You have to press the medicine dropper really hard. But overall, this is a really great product, and it's only $6 for a great, amazing product. And the last product I'm going to talk about is their silicone free priming moisturizer. This one retails for $14, very affordable. It has 50 ml or 1.7 ounces. I still have a lot. I use about 3 pumps of this one. I do not find this very moisturizing, very hydrating. I like to use this one as a primer because it's not hydrating enough for my liking. So this one, it feels a little bit like silicone, but not as much as the Fenty Beauty hydrating primer. If you have that one, if you have been using that one, feels very silicone. This one, not as much. So this one's formulated with macadamia seed, with oil, shea butter, and a naturally derived silicone alternative. So use another like silicone alternative, maybe like from a plant or something. Yeah, plant-based derived alternative to silicone helps smooth skin texture. That's really true. And plump up fine lines with a lightweight, breathable free. So this one helps a lot. I use it as a primer. I don't like to use this one as a moisturizer because it's not very hydrating for my liking. But I like to use this one as a primer together with the Fenty Beauty primer. Oh my goodness, every time I use both primers, my face, guys, look really smooth. Airbrush. I don't see any texture. I don't have texture skin, but I don't see any lines like all. But oh my goodness, I do not have to use a filter to smooth out my skin, because both actually primers are amazing. Even when I use this one alone, my skin looks really flawless, airbrush. So I highly recommend this one, even with oily skin, because it's not very oily, it's not greasy. It actually absorbs very quickly. It doesn't sit on the skin. That's one thing I like about this one. And it's not very silicone-y. The silicone, I think they use like alternative silicone base, like from a plant or something like that. So this one's amazing, guys, and it's only $14. You cannot beat the price. $14. So those are all the products that I have been using from The Ordinary. This one, guys, oh my goodness, this is so good. Okay, so those are all the products. I'm really glad that their skincare products have been working with my acne, sensitive, dry skin. So let me know if you have tried their products, and this would be the end of my video. Please don't forget to subscribe on my channel if you haven't already. Give this video a thumbs up, and I hope to see you all on my next video. Bye bye.